guys, this is Nelson representing Midway Mayhem, and we are here for Media Day for Scream Machine Backward. It sounds like fun. Let's go see how it is.
Do they have your just today? Every day. Yeah, so I can do it. I've seen it every day.
So we are here on the Scream Machine Backwards. I'm here with Gene Petriello, the communications manager for Six Flags Over Georgia. And tell me a little bit about the experience and everything that we're about to encounter.
You know, you're at Scream Machine Backwards, you said, Six Flags Over Georgia. We're going 105 feet up the lift hill right now, looking straight down. You're gonna find yourself, like I've been doing, looking over my shoulder to see when we're about to drop, because you never know. That's the great part about this ride.
And something even crazier is like this whole view is something you never see otherwise. And if this thing's going forward, like you can see everything.
Superman, Sky Coaster, Blue Hawk, Sky Screamer, you see it all around you. And again, you never know when you're about to drop. We did this in the 90s, if you don't know.
Right, okay.
Brought it back. We're actually using the Georgia Cyclone trains. And here we go. See? Oh, we're talking about it now.
Alright guys, so we're back on the Scream Machine for the 4th time. We've had some serious camera issues, but the guys have been working really hard. So let's hope it works this time. We're back on here, so let's hope for the best, see what happens. I'm really nervous this time around. The air time every single time is completely different. So I'm a little nervous, I'm excited. But the whole element, this whole thing is really, really cool. So it's hard to get tired of, honestly. It is intimidating though.
It is.
But we're getting pretty high now.
I know. Like anytime, okay?
Here we go. Here we go. Second time around.
Second drop.
Here we go. It's
like,
so much fun every single time. It's just.
It's good. It really is different every single time
Yeah.
you ride on
It
it.
is one heck of an experience. So you guys have to come down here and you have to come try it out because it's going to be a limited time only. So this spring is the best time to ride it. So make sure to get it while you can because it is like no other. So make sure you get here while you can. Awesome.
Yeah.
Well guys, that is all for this media event, so make sure to come down here while you can. It's going to last through spring, so make sure to come try it. You won't regret it. Screen Machine running backwards. It's an experience you won't have anywhere else, so make sure to come here and ride it. If you like what we do, make sure to subscribe to us and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and we will see you out on the Midway.